Pumapatak na naman ang ulan sa bubong ng bahay. Hi guys! Ganito na ba ang sitwasyon ng inyong mga pader after ng mga pag-ulan? Dahil walang proper waterproofing yan. Maraming waterproofing products ang available sa Mojave. Ito yung mga ADMIX WATERBLOCK, waterproofing admixture na hinahalo sa semento. 1K WATERBLOCK is a single component elastic sealant. Pwede din ito as waterproofing for firewall kapag hinaluan ng tubig. ELASTOMERIC WATERBLOCK is a 4-in-1 waterproofing for walls as primer, waterproofer, top coat, and sealer. Mas effective ito compared sa ordinary elastomeric paint na bagay sa firewall. 2K WATERBLOCK is a 2-component flexible cementitious. Ito ay underlay waterproofing na ina-apply sa bathroom or swimming pool. RUBBERIZED WATERBLOCK, tinted ready-to-use waterproofing membrane, roller applied for bathroom walls and floors. CRYSTALLINE WATERBLOCK is also a cementitious product na ina-apply sa negative side ng mga basement or underground. PU WATERBLOCK ay overlay waterproofing for roof decks, balconies, and terraces. Hindi na kailangan ng topping. Para naman sa corner joints or dugtungan, meron naman tayong RAPIDSET WATERBLOCK. Roof heat waterblock naman ang gamitin for roof insulating and reflective coating that reduces the heat transferred. Epoxy tank lining is a food-grade and non-toxic waterproofing material when fully cured for cistern, water tank, and swimming pool. If meron kayo need i-waterproofing, call or message us para ma-assist kayo sa specific waterproofing na gagamitin ninyo. See ya!